What's up everybody, ATB here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new Dragonball TCG Display opening. And yeah guys, I know, it's been a while since we have opened some trading card games, but hear me out. 2 months ago I've moved with my family from the old apartment to a new apartment. And you know how it goes when you translate your whole stuff, your whole table, chairs, whatever, and you know, it's a lot of work and it's a lot of pain. Yeah, it's pain. My whole body hurted, and yeah, I had also to rest a little bit, but now we are finally here. And yeah, as you can see, I'm still building up my setup here. The PC is right here. I have my monitors already set up, and but yeah, I'm not finished now, because as you can see here, there's still cables laying around, and yeah, in the background, ta-da! Boxes everywhere, because on this background here I'm gonna make a shelf with all my collectibles. So still got a lot of work to do. That's how it is. But today guys, I can't wait any longer. Today we are going to open this beauty right here. As you can see, Dragonball card game Critical Blow. This set has been released a few months ago, I think. I don't know when exactly, but I've pre-ordered it. I've put it away because I really wanted to make a video about this, but yeah, he moved from the old apartment to a new apartment and it's still closed. So we are going to open it right now, and yeah, I hope I can see it already here. The promotion card can be a SR or a special rare, and it could be Beast Gohan. Oh my god, that would be absolutely awesome if I could pull this card. I love Beast Gohan. As you get, if you're following me for a few times now, you can see that I also play Dragon Ball Legends, and when they released the Beast Gohan for the first time, I flipped completely. And last year it was, what was it, Legends Festival, and they also released the new Beast Gohan, and also there I totally completely flipped out. But yeah, I hope we can pull some good cards. But before, we are going to check Card Market what these cards are worth. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, here we are on Card Market. As usual, everything is pre-selected, and now we are going to check the highest card right here. $700. Ooh, what is this? Super Saiyajin Gogeta Fusion Reborn. Ooh, this is a... this is the God Rare card. That's why it's so expensive. Bursting Rage Son-Gohan. Ooh, Super Saiyan 2 Son-Gohan is also... love it. This is the secret rare version of Super Saiyajin Gogeta. Ooh, also nice looking. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, what a Great Ape Cumber, also nice looking. Super Saiyan 3, what we got? Another Gogeta. This is the special rare version, alright. This is the card we are looking for. Please, 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 be a good one. Please, please. If this is the promotion card, what is this? Yeah, it's worth $6, but I don't care. It's the artwork, it's looking... Ooh, these hairs, man. Look at these hairs, man. I love it. I just love it. What we got here? Family, Kamehameha, alright, and yeah, Cell Max, many more. Alright, but yeah, you know, it's usual in these Dragon Ball boxes displays. Only the God Rares and the Secret Rares have, yeah, a little bit of value, but the other Special Rares and Super Rares, the price is dropping, as you can see here. This is just But well, I think this is all it. Yeah, the set has a lot to offer, a lot of beautiful cards, and I hope we can pull some good stuff in here. Alright guys, I would say let's not waste any time, let's go in. And as usual and always, if you love this type of content, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you don't want to miss any of my new content, hit that ring bell notification button. Kling-a-ling-a-ling. No more talking, let's go. I can't wait anymore. Alright guys, here we are. Let's open this beauty with the bed knife as usual. Come on. Oh, let's put you away, and now let's open it. Oh, I'm so excited guys about this. I'm so excited. Let's do you. Alright. I hope, let's see what the promotion card is. Please let it be, please go on. Please, 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 please. Please, please. No, oh my gosh, what is it? What is it? What is it? It's a, ooh, okay, I take it. It's a special rare. It's not Beast Gohan, but it's a special rare. Ooh, nice. Son Goku duel with an assassin. Alright, special rare. Ooh, I love this gold on these cards on Dragon Ball. They do every time an absolutely amazing job. Bandai, keep going like this. But yeah, this is the promotion card, special rare. I take it, dig it. Alright, let's put you beside, and now let's take out these babies. 1 and 2. Woohoo! Woohoo! I'm so excited about it. Alright, let's put these two piles away. And I would say let's just begin, guys. Let's just begin. Alright, first pack. Let's see, first pack magic. I hope we can do some good here. Alright, here we go. Whew. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. It's been a while. I know it's been a while, but this is the first rare, and it's Cumber. Alright, nice artwork. Let's put you here, and the rest, let's put you down there. Next pack. So while we are opening these booster packs, let me know in the comment section below if you also have bought some of these boxes, or at least one. Ooh, all right, battle with the Red Ribbon Army. Okay, well, focus please. What's going on? Yeah, now it's better. All right, let's keep going. Yeah, let me know in the comment section below, guys, if you have bought this display, what you have pulled, of course, and I see you in the comments. Ooh, Pan, love this artwork. And yeah, we can discuss together. I'm very excited to know what you have pulled. And the next rare is Janemba. I love this glitter in the background. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. See it there? Reflecting the light, this glitter in the background. This is nice looking. I love it. I love it. And yeah, I just wanted to say, like I said before, I moved in this new apartment. I'm living now with my family 2 months in here, and come on, focus. Thank you. And yeah, we still are setting everything up. My room is still not made, just basic here, but sacred water again, Pan. And yeah, the new apartment is absolutely fantastic. We have a lot of room, a lot of space. My daughter's happy. I am totally happy. I've got my own room finally. And we got the first. Oh my god! I f***ed up. I up big time. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. This is the common. Oh my, I totally up the whole point. First special rare. Now this is the second special rare. Gamma 1 and Gamma 2. Oh my god, I'm sorry guys. I'm so stupid. I'm such an idiot. Oh my, I can't even count cards. Oh, yeah. Oh man, wow, this is a beautiful card, by the way. Wow, special rare, I like you. Nice, Gamma 1 and Gamma 2. All right, first, this is the set. The first pro special rare was the promo, and now we got the second special rare. If it keep going like this, why not? Why not? All right, yeah, like I said, we recently moved in, we have a lot of space, everybody's happy, and yeah, I'm still buying some new gear hardware for my setup because I wanted to gear up, to level up everything, to create better content, not like this. Focus. Thank you, my god. I also need a new camera, as you can see. It's not reacting at all. But yeah, step by step, guys. Step by step, because all these stuff are also very expensive. But yeah, I think as a content creator, you know all that. All right, we got common Paragus. I did not. This time I've done it right. This is a super rare Son Gohan. True self revealed. Oh, this is a beautiful card. I love it. Lovely, lovely. This is Son Goku's grandfather. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous. All right. Let's see how I do this right here, because I need a system here. All right. What is this? Rare. Let's put it there. This is the common. This is the commons, and let's put the super rares right there. All right. Let's keep going. Okay, focus. Let's go. The new Awaken card are also nice looking. Tower Bye Bye. Gamma 2, Son Goku again. Master Roshi. Uncommon Cell Max. Alright, this was the last card. Woo! Also nice looking. All the shiny and the glitter. We love it, guys. You know that. It's been a while since I've opened the last Dragon Ball TCG Display. I can't remember even what was the last display. I can't even remember. It's been a long, guys. It's been a long time. Focus, please. Thank you. Ooh, Son Goku. Yeah, this is this is the Janemba arc. Dracula, man. Oh my god. Again, Pan. This is the third time you appeared. Come on, man, girl. You too. Son Goten. This is a new one. The fat fusion of Gotenks. Oh my god, I love this guy. And this is a rare. Yeah, this is a rare. Ooh, come back from defeat. Come on, man. This is just stupid. Yeah. Ooh, Beast Gohan. Whoa, Beast Gohan. If we can pull a Beast Gohan here, I don't know if you have the chance only in the promotion to pull a Beast Gohan, or if you have also the chance in the packs here. I really don't know, but I think so. It would be stupid if not. All right, let's go. Let's keep going. We have a lot to open. A lot of cards are doubled. Oopa! Yeah, cute. Ooh, okay. Common holo version and... Oh, come on. No. Did I f again? Wait. No. Okay, something's shining and glittering in the background. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, 2. It's a super rare, but it's Super Saiyan 3 Broly? A Super Saiyan 3 Broly? I've never seen that before. Yeah, no, I haven't seen it. I have seen it, but not as a trading card. Nice. All right, let's put you to the super rares right here. And let's keep going. Why is this camera flicking? All right, focus is here. And let's keep going. And this is rare, and it's Broly rare, also nice looking. Wait, the rares are here. All right. Yes, this is what it is. So, but I have also the next Dragon Ball display opening we are doing is perfect combination, I think it's called. Yeah, perfect combination. I have also pre-ordered it. I have also received it already. It's also, I think, a month ago released. Yeah, I think a month ago. I still have it, but yeah, like I said, step by step, guys. I only have 2 hands, but videos are coming. Stay tuned for that. Keep an eye on that. Magenta, Path of Wish Fulfillment. This is a common and nothing. All right, we got secret rare, would also be nice. We have it. We have pulled from till now 2 special rares, 2 super rares, and the rest are rares and common. A secret rare would also be nice. A god rare. God rare will be, whew, I'm rich. No, I'm not rich technically, but $700 is, whew, a lot. It's a lot. Again, Pan. Now, finally, the Pan. Now I've pulled you 3 times, and now the 4th times is on holo version. Okay, I take it, thank you, and nothing. This is a common holo. Let's put you right here. All right, I would say let's open 2 more packs, and then we are going to see how many packs we still have left to open, because we have already almost reached the half of it. Focus, please. Thank you. Dr. Hito. Janemba, Higher Dragon, yeah, come on, Upa, yes, thank you. If this would also pull in a holo version, it would be nice. All right, what we got here, this is a Gigantic Meteor of Destruction. This is a uncommon, and yeah, we already have you in holo rare. Oh, but this is nice. This is a nice looking card. Focus, please, thank you. All right, one more, and then let's do the math. Focus, thank you. So Max, Paragus, let's speed up a little bit. Let's just speed up a little bit. Janemba, Son Goten, and nothing. Oh, this is, ooh, a nice Awaken card. Fortuna Teller. Baba, this is Urunai. Yeah, this is Urunai Baba. And Son Gohan, grandfather of Goku. Nice card. Nice, nice, nice. Dig it. I dig it. Take it with graduation. All right. Let's just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we got, I think, another 6. 1, 2, 3. Yep, 12 to go. Yeah, this is pretty precisely the half of it we have opened till now. No special rare, no secret rare, no god rare, only holo commons and rares. Come on, we need to pull something better here. Come on, don't let me hang, don't let me hang. Janemba common holo. Oh, there's a third card. Super rare. This is a super rare. Yes, super rare. Super Saiyan 3 Son Goku. Let's take a closer look. Focus. Thank you. Woo! All this gold and glitter and shining. This is just. I love it. I love it. All right, let's push it to the other super rares. This is a common holo. All right, now this is the 11th one, and then we got 10 to go. Yeah, I almost forgot. We also have a Yu-Gi-Oh! Display waiting to be opened. This is I think the 25th anniversary special edition. I don't know exactly what it's named, but it's a special display edition who has also been released a few months ago. Janemba common and stop it right there. Okay, we got something. Peace, peace. No, I don't want peace. Please let it be something good. 1, 2, 3. Oh. Yes. It's only a super rare, but it's Beast Gohan. Focus, come on. Focus. Oh my God, you are. Holy shit. It's only a super rare, but I don't care. I wish from the bottom of my heart that we will we will pull a Beast Gohan. I don't care what version, but this is, oh my God, I love you. Holy sh! This is now a fire display. Now, at this point, guys, I don't care whatever card we pull. We have pulled the Beast Gohan. The rest, I just. Gogeta would also be nice. I love fusion, by the way. Every fusion. It doesn't matter if it's Portara or normal dance fusion. Family Kameha. Ooh, this card would be nice in. It's an uncommon in holo version. This would be a nice card. All right, what we got? Janemba, same old crap. Janemba, Shenron. Rare, and nope. Okay, yo, nice. What is this? A rare? Okay, let's put you to the rares. We haven't much left, guys. We haven't much left. Oh my God, Beast Gohan, we've pulled it. Focus. Thank you. Thank you very much. Something Goten. Let's speed it up a little bit. Ooh, Piccolo, common holo version. We got more. Oh, we got more. We got more. Okay, here we go, guys. You ready? 1, 2, 3. God, I'm so happy. Oh my god. Oh shit.
A few moments later.
This is the promotion card. I told you we are going to. I didn't told you, but I felt it within deep in my heart. I felt it. Oh my god, special rare Bisco. Babe, maybe. All right, here we are again, guys. Whew. Focus. Yeah, thank you. Here we are again, guys. Absolutely fantastic card. Third special rare. Oh my gosh. Third special rare. Thank you, luck. Finally, some good luck. Finally. All right. Let's just finish this because at this point my heart rate is skyrocketing. Oh, my poor heart. Oh my gosh. Woo. This was absolutely fantastic, guys. All right, let's just keep going. Common. All right. And now I have to speed up a little bit because I don't want to make this video too long. Come on. Oh. Don't want to fuck up the cards. Focus. All right, all right, all right, all right. Ooh, Vegito rare, nice, nice. I take that. Yeah, this was. Ooh, but this is a nice one. This is a nice one. Take this. I take this. Like I said, I love fusion. I love fusion, and I love Miss Gohan, as you can see clearly. Oh, come on. Hate it. All right, focus. Thank you. Speed up, speed up, speed up. Dimensional hole. All right. Yeah, nothing. Boo. 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 Oh, 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 oh. Oh. Okay, I think we are. Oh, have I spoiled now everything? No. Oh no no. Oh no, it was this card. What's this? Ooh, and no. Are you kidding me? Another Beast Gohan? How many do you? Oh my god! But this is a uncommon holo Beast Gohan special beam cannon. Ooh. Oh my god! Oh, this is absolutely fantastic. This box is giving me goodies. Goodies, goodies, goodies. I take it. Beast Gohan. I take every version of Beast Gohan. every version. All right, let's see. We got 4 packs left. I would say, I think these 3 special rares and these Gohans we have pulled, I think these are the hits of this box. Another Awaken card with Gohan. All right, I don't think we are going to pull more stuff here. Rare Janemba, let's put you here. All right, last pack. No, not last pack. What I'm talking. Third pack is this. Third last pack. Now you have to speed up a little bit. You have to hurry. Hurry. All right, common Son Goten. Oh, we got more. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ooh, Super Saiyan Comber in super rare. All right. Nice. Super rare. All right. We have pulled now, let me see, 4 or 5 super rares. 3 special rares. 3. But no god rare and no secret rare. But the pull rates of pulling a secret rare or a god rare card is like this. It's just you need an immense of luck to pull a god rare or a secret rare. Luck is very precious these times. But yeah. Common Holo, Tao Bye Bye, and do we got more? Is this left? Ooh, did I spoil it? Oh, I spoiled it. God damn it! What is it? Woo! Another super rare Super Saiyan 4 Son Goku. What is this? Take a closer look. Focus. Come on. Here we go. All right. Woo! Shining, glittering, and blasting, and focus. Come on, hey, dude. I need to turn off the automatic focus. This is. All right. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Please. Ay. It's not red now. Yeah. This is. I'm sorry, guys. This is horrible. But yeah, super rare and common holo. All right, guys, last pack. Please let it be habit. Last pack magic, guys. Last pack magic. With my magic glow fingers. Focus. All right, here we go. Last pack, last chance to pull something good. I think it's nothing. No, I think we are done here. Shenron common, all right, and yeah, that was it. All right, this is also a nice looking card. Shenron Wish Dragon. This is a common holo. Let's put you here. All right, and we are done here. We have opened all packs. Let's review the highlights of this box and see you in a minute. Okay guys, let's check what we have pulled here. Focus, thank you. Alright, we got first the Super Saiyan 4 Goku in super rare. Then we got the Super Saiyan Comber in super rare. Absolutely beautiful card, Beast Gohan super rare. And we got the Super Saiyan 3 Son Gohan in super rare. And last but not, Super Saiyan 3 Broly, but last and not least, Son Gohan. These are all the super rares. And now the best pulls of this box. Here they are. 3 special rares. This was the promo special rare. This was the absolutely highlight pull in this box, and then we got Gamma 1 and Gamma 2. The camera is not doing his work. It's, oh my god, it's not working right. yeah, here we go. Gamma 1, Gamma 2, special rare. Son Goku, duel with an assassin, special rare. Also nice looking. And this is absolutely, for sure, it will be one of my, no, it is one of my favorite cards. It is one of my favorite cards. Oh my god, absolutely beautiful. Woo. All right, guys. I would say let's end this video here, and yeah, see you in a moment. All right, guys, we are at the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I do, because this was a fire opening. I just have to tell, this was a fire opening, guys. Beast Gohan absolutely shredded everything. And yeah, like I said before, more videos are coming, guys. We are going to open the next Dragon Ball display will be Perfect Combination. And yeah, I have also a Yu-Gi-Oh display, the 25th anniversary special edition. I don't know exactly how it's called, but we're also going to open this one. And yeah, I have pre-ordered also the new Dragon Ball displays, which will come, I don't know, I think next month or in 2 months exactly. I have to check it again. I don't have it in mind exactly, but yeah, like I said, more stuff are coming. I've now finished to play Assassin's Creed Mirage. Now I want to start with Tekken 8 and Spider-Man 2. I know I'm late, I'm sorry, guys. And yeah, and we are also going to start streaming. I have to do a few software setups on my computer, but step by step I will get there, I promise. Well, with that said, guys, I hope you stay all well, stay out of trouble. You know how it goes. See you next time. Bye.